Okay, so now let me show you how to edit the contact form. Let's go to the contact page, and there is the contact form. If you click here or find the form element in the layers panel, you will be able to edit the form. When users fill out the form, right now it doesn't get sent anywhere because you need to fill out this send to variable. So let's say I want it to be sent to my email, so I just type my email here. This is like the name of the sender that you want to see in the email, the subject of the email, and that you received a new submission. And then when users fill out the form, you will get an email with these values filled out. Each input has a name, so then when you get the fill out form, you will see for this input the value will be under this name. In this input it will be under the email name, and it goes like this. Each input has different type. Here you can see all the types. You can also choose if it's required or not, and if you want to add new input, you can just select this, press Ctrl D to duplicate it. Okay, let me duplicate this one, for example, so they are not three in the same row right now. I want to name it, let's say, recipe. Here I want the placeholder to be write your favorite recipe. Rename the name to recipe, and that's it. You just have to make sure it's inside the form element.